Yes, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching right now. Yes, my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And yes, today I just want to talk about this hairstyle. Like the hair extension that I used, of course, is from Darling Company, as you can see. But as I was doing these braids, there's something that I wanted to share with you just by words because somehow, somewhere, the details is somehow very far, and I'm sorry for that. That was the camera guy doing that mistake, but all I wanted to explain about this hairstyle, like how we achieved it, there is only one thing that should put in your mind, that whenever we are doing these braids, one thing we should always put in our mind is that how comfortable are they. It is not always a matter of packing or maybe making the lines or adding the extensions, but always to understand the weight, how heavy it is, and even how if this person is going to maybe like to hold a puff, or maybe is going to style it, or maybe like sleeping, how she's going to sleep, because those are the things that we always need to we should always first understand that because we are doing these braids, but the mistakes that we always do is just making the lines, adding the extensions, but you even don't think about the weight, and then how this person is going to style it. So my advice was, if you somebody is going to do these long braids, like very long, the only thing you have to know is make sure that at least you keep your eye on the extension, how you're adding. Like it shouldn't be very heavy for her in the way that it is going to make her uncomfortable. So those are the things that I wanted to explain to you. Most of the times when we're doing these braids, it shouldn't just be a matter of doing it, but also to know how this person is going to maintain it, to style it, like maybe to hold it when she's going to sleep. Because I've seen a lot of people, yes, have done braids. You find them looking very, very nice and neat, but the problem is somehow, somewhere you find them heavy. Yes, the person is not feeling comfortable, and at times you find even holding them puff, you cannot, because of them being heavy. So what they always do, of course, they will just leave them free, but when it is also very hard to achieve that. Okay, so let's try to mind about the extension that I used. Of course, if they're somehow heavy, that's how you also reduce on the extensions. You reduce on as you're braiding your client. Okay, and maybe even to know how you're supposed to space them, because this one I always say it to you, that the spacing, the the extension, okay, so the spacing that you're parting that you're doing should be equivalent to the extension that you're going to do. Not like these people who always do like maybe small boxes, like the small partition, and they add on a big extension. Okay, so it should always be opposite. When it is a bigger extension, deserves a small, it also needs a bigger partition. Okay, so when you do the small partition, also the extension need to be a small. So those are the things that I had for you, but these are these extensions, we get them from Darling Company Uganda, and I hope you're going to love it. Then plus the method that I'm using, I'm not using the knotless, I'm using the knot braiding. Okay, because you can be seeing the knot as you're going to be seeing here. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I work at Hair by Clippers. In case you want to have our services, you can always come at Hair by Clippers, located in Tinda Ministers Village. And yes, and still we have the online courses that are going on, so you can find the link in the description and choose the other course that you'd want to do. Of course, even our hair products are also there. You can also have them. For now, I'm gonna be signing out, and my name is Maurice, the crochet master. May the Lord bless you all. Love you so much.
Jangu tutambule no mulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Oyagala mulembe jangu tutambule no mulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Confidence said in muchikumi we give it out tetuleka you with the best to none. Anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga. Tuli ba big baller shot callers tukola kwa babaze ulira. So high in the sky we know how to make it glam and look so splash it. Everybody clippers with the best. 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 Hair by clippers. 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 Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule no mulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule no mulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. He got the touch of a cricket master, yeah. Oh no. Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongo yaka, yeah. Maurice the cricket master did a make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Maurice the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. Oh no. Nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No. Maurice got the touch of a crochet master. No. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Maurice. Yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Maurice, you crochet master. Maurice, you crochet master.